Hi guys, we are going to do a fun rhyming activity today. And remember, we have a rhyming basket in our classroom where we fill a basket with a bunch of objects and we see if they rhyme with each other. Remember, the word rhyme means that one thing sounds like the other, such as boat and float. They sound the same, right? Boat and float. They don't have to start with the same sound, right? B for boat and f for float. They don't have to sound the same in the beginning, but they have to sound the same, right? Boat, float. Or how about duck, truck? Duck, truck. So let's see which words sound the same, or in other words, rhyme, which is our focus skill of the week. So I have a bunch of new rhyming cards that I'll bring to our classroom once we're back together. I just got them, so I'm so excited to use them with you guys. So let's look at some words that rhyme, and let's figure out if they do or if they don't rhyme. So here is a barn, barn. And here is yarn, yarn. Do they sound the same? Yarn, barn, barn, yarn. Barn and yarn, they rhyme, right? They sound the same. So we could put those two as a puzzle piece and we'll put them away. How about, what is this? Yummy, right? Cake, cake. How about cake and cat? Do they sound the same? Do they rhyme? Cake and cat? No, right? They do have the same first letter, right? Cake and cat both start with k, c, right? But just because they sound the same in the beginning doesn't mean they rhyme. So rhyming, they need to sound the same. So cake and cat. Cake, cat. Do they rhyme? No, right? Cake would rhyme with something that sounds like snake. Cake and snake. Cake, snake. So they rhyme. Two rhyming words. We'll put those as a puzzle piece and put them together. Now we have to find a rhyming word for cat. Let's think of some words. How about cat and dog? No, how about cat and hat? Hat, cat. Hat, cat. They sound the same, right? They are rhyming words. What about horn? Horn. Horn and moon? Horn, moon. Do they sound the same? No. Horn and corn? Horn, corn, horn, corn. Remember, if you said them really fast and together, they sound as you can hear them, right? Horn and corn, do they fit? They're rhyming words. They fit like a puzzle piece. What about hose and hose? Here you go, hose and moon. Hose, moon. Hose, moon. No, right? Hose nose? Hose nose, hose nose. Do we hear it? Hose and nose, they sound the same. They're like a puzzle piece, they fit together. Hose and nose make the same sound, they rhyme. Next one is spoon and moon. Spoon, moon, spoon, moon. They are rhyming words, they sound the same, right? And last, we can see, actually we'll do a few more. We have jar and car. Are they rhyming? Jar, car. Jar, car. They both sound like R after their first letter, right? J, R, K, R. J, R, K, R. They have the same sound, so they are rhyming words. How about sock? Sock and clock. Sock and clock are rhyming words, right? So they fit together like a puzzle piece. And we can see, what is this? Gum. Gum and drum. Gum, drum. Gum, drum. They're rhyming words, right? Drum. Drum. Gum and drum. They are rhyming words. And last one, how about goat, goat, and snail? Snail. Snail and goat. Do they rhyme? No, right? They're both living things, but that doesn't mean that they rhyme, right? Goat rhymes with something like goat. How about boat? Goat and boat. They're rhyming words. And lastly, let's rhyme something with that snail. How about snail and, what is this? Do you play with that at the beach? Snail and pail. Snail, pail. Snail, pail. Snail, pail. Those are rhyming words. So remember, rhyming words sound the same, but it doesn't mean that they have the same letter sounds, right? So I hope you guys had a fun time doing that. And we will do more of these with our virtual learning, but we will also do them when we get back to our classroom. Bye, guys.